Hi everyone, we have another swap entry. This one comes from Melissa, and look, she had this super cute coffin paper clip. I don't have any of these. I actually bought bat ones from Temu, so that's super cute. I'm gonna have to go find some of those. And I don't know what paper collection she used, but I need it in my life. So Melissa, you'll have to let me know because this is absolutely adorable. So she did send me a little goodie here. Look at these pumpkins with the little faces. How stinking cute is that? I love those. And then I love her handwriting too. So I also got this little baggie right here of goodies that she sent to me. Oh, we got some ribbon. Oh, some more ribbon. Little ephemera pieces. And then a little box of goodies here. Ooh, little gemmies and rhinestones and beads and charms. Love it. And then over here is her swap entry. Okay, this was so cute and so creative. So she did a little extra for everybody, and she created another belly band to hold her little extra item right here. I thought that was so stinking cool. Such a good idea. So in here we have, okay, so the little extra bag, we have a charm. There is a hole right there, so you could go ahead and dangle that. We also have this little pouch right here. So stinking cute. It says cats. She stamped it. And then you can open it up right here. Okay, I'm totally stealing this idea. I'm going to make some of these. And then inside you have the little cats in there. How stinking cute is that? So she just glued down the three sides right here, stamped it, and then made a little flap. I love that. Then over here we have a hidden paper clip, which was one of her handmade items. So cute. I don't have any cats. I've never owned a cat, but this little collection is absolutely adorable. Like, I need this collection. And then, oh, look at how cute. Like, so simple, but so cute. So we have 3 little banners, and then she embossed a little spiderweb stamp. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then, let's see. Okay, so here she made a list of everything. I'm telling you, I love her handwriting. So there she got a little like list for you guys of everything that she included. So I'll put that all back together. Okay, and here is the cover of her swap. So there actually is like twine in the background. So she did a little spooky banner right there. Super cute. And here is her lid. So, oh, okay. Oops, almost dropped it. So this is embossing powder that she used on this little clothespin, it looks like. How cute to share the embossing powder and put it in this little package with this tiny little tag. Love that. And then we have some bling in here. Oh, I like this. These are nice and tiny little mirror squares. Oh, love that. So then there's some more bling down in there. Then our next compartment, we have some seed beads. These match so well with her collection. And then you also have some little wood pieces in here as well. You could totally take that embossing powder that she sent and stamp like Boo on here. I think that would be really, really cute. And let's see, we have another handmade item, her little sequence mix right here. So we got some ghosties. Oh, there's like little tiny bats in here. Oh, those are cute. I don't think I've seen those tiny little bat sequins before. I have like bigger bats. Oh, I'm gonna have to go look for those. Oh, look, and then she shared some of those coffin paper clips. And then there's just some more like little odds and ends in here. So we got like a little tag. There's some tiny little brads in here as well. A ball chain. One of those like bulb garment pins. Oh my gosh, these little tiny brads, like, super, super tiny. Oh my gosh, those are so cool. Okay, and our next one, it looks like it has that same ribbon that she sent to me. So we got 2 ribbon samples, and then down here we have some more little tininess. So we have flowers, eyeballs, buttons, and a tiny little bow. Look at that little bow. So cute. These little roses remind me of like Alice in Wonderland because they're white but also like partially red. So it just has like the little like dot on the bottom of red, so you could barely like see the red through. Love that. Then the next one has a tiny little ghosty stamp, and then some flowers. We have a little like glass dome. You can definitely like glue it on to one of those like paper pieces she sent and then just cut it out. Oh look, we have some of those like little what are these called? I think they used to be called like Weeble Wobbles, where like you could put it on a card and then, you know, it can like move around. And then there's some photo corners down there. Okay, our next compartment, we have some flowers. We have some tassels that she already like created for us. So it has a little cat on here, a little tassel, and then you can also dangle like a little chain, like a little beaded chain down over here on the side. And then we got a couple of little words already to go. And then we have some spiders and some more fabric flowers. I love how everything you included just blends like so perfectly with the paper collection that you used. That's really, really nice. Then over here, oh my gosh, we have a ton of like beads. So we have some beads and some charms. Oh, I like this bead. Oh, love that. And oh, these are little glass stars. How cute. Then we just got some little charms in here and all kinds of goodness right there. Thank you so much for joining my swap. I love everything that you sent. Please let me know what collection you used. I really like that. I need to get it. Our next swap comes from Kathy, and look at this wrapping paper. Okay, I have no idea where it's from, but you guys, I need it in my life. Okay, look, there is a skull baby right here with a mohawk. Sunny Boy has had a mohawk since he was 3 years old, and I am obsessed with this. Kathy, you have to let me know where this came from. I'm definitely going to try to salvage this paper as much as I can because I love it. Okay, so here's Kathy's swap. You guys, I am obsessed with her card right here. Kathy, you have to let me know where this bat die is from. I need it in my life. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous baddie bat right here. And she has her little spider friend with his little googly eyes and the little resin bows. Obsessed. I love it so much. So it says spooky. And then she just wrote on the inside that she doesn't have social media. Her favorite colors are blue and pink. Her favorite crafty tool is her Cricut. And then her birthday is in September. And her favorite style is shabby chic. Oh my gosh, obsessed with this card. I need this little baddie bat. Let me know where it's from. I gotta run out and buy it. So here's her swap right here, and she sent a lot of extras, and then she sent me a little envelope that will open at the end. This little cat right here, I'm gonna save that too. So this little box right here has a little bead right on top, and you guys, how tiny and cute is this? I'm guessing that this was with the Cricut. Obsession, you guys. Where do you find tiny little Tic Tacs from? Oh my gosh, and look, tiny chapstick, and then there's some little boo stickers down there. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. And then we got a little egg right here that's like a jack-o'-lantern. And we have little flatback resins. Oh my gosh, look at that, like haunted house. I don't think I've seen that guy before. Oh, he's cute with his little top hat. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of Mickey Mouse from Fantasmic. Love that little resin piece. And then she included some stickers. Oh, it goes this way. Happy haunting. Well, did you do this on your Cricut too? Let me know because I love that. So we have some stickers. And then she included some little cute tags right here. And then here is her embellishment box. How stinking cute. She did some handmade flowers and then glued down some sequins and did this spooktacular back there. I love that. I'm wondering if that's from the Cricut as well. And then on her box, she did a ribbon all the way around. She put paper on the bottom. That's so smart. You guys that did the paper on the bottom, I need to do that too. And then here is her little designs. Okay, you have to let me know where this paper is from because it's so tiny, so cute. I love this vintage pumpkin. And this like reminds me of like Graphic 45. And then these tiny little spider webs over here. I love that. So in our first compartment, oh my gosh, we have a ton of beads and charms. Oh, look at that black flower. I love that. Okay, so I found these, I think last year or the year before at Walmart. They were little bracelets. They were orange, but I don't remember if I have white ones. So you'll have to let me know where you got yours from. I haven't seen them this year. Has anybody seen these little bead bracelets from Walmart this year? And then there are these little skull beads, but these have the large holes, so you can put those on Pokie tools. Then you have all your little charms right here. And then in the next compartment, oh my gosh, look at how pretty. Her wax seals have glitter in it. How pretty is that? I love it. So you have little wax seals, and then you have some bows and a tassel down here. I love the colors. The colors match so perfect with the paper collection. Oh, and then here is the inside. So each little inside has a different like paper decoration. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love spiders. So I love this so much. We have little spider buttons. I think there's 3 different sizes in here. I think there's another one down there. Super cute. Love me some spiders. Then we have her sequence mix right here. Oh my gosh, look at that tiny little sequence skull. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, and a tiny little witch. Okay, I have some stuff like this, but not this small. And then, oh my gosh, look at all these like little micro beads. Oh my gosh, look at this tiny little skull and crossbones and little bat. Oh my gosh, how cute. I don't think I found any that small. That's really cute. Then she has some die cut ghosties in here. And she has some paper clips. So we have little batty bats, a skull, and then some little ghosties as well. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love it. And then in the next one, she already wire wrapped some beads for you guys. So we have a little mix of beads right here with those skulls. Oh, I like how you did the little spacer rhinestone and then did like the little tubey. Are these like those beads that you iron? That's what it looks like to me. Super cute. Love that. Oh, look at the little like candy corn colors here. Love that. And our next compartment, we have some buttons. Oh, and then we have some little flowers as well. Cute, cute. Love the little bat and the little spider web. And then our last compartment, we have a little gemmy, and we have little like seed bead potion bottles. Oh, look at that flower, that purple flower right there. I don't think I've seen that one before. And we have a little black bow as well. Super cute. Thank you so much for joining my swap, Kathy. You always send in these cutest little swaps ever. And then let's see what she put. My little envelope here. Did you cut this out on your Cricut, this little frame? Because that's really cute. We got a big old envelope here. Oh, good. The sticker is easy to come off, then I didn't have to destroy it. Love that. Oh my gosh, she sent me a bunch of cool words. Oh, I love this. Was this all from your Cricut? Okay, okay, confession, I've said this before. I bought a Cricut Maker when they first came out, and I've never used it. I have my Cricut, what is it, Expression, I think? And that's the one that I'll pull out and use whenever I pull that out and use, which is really rare. So I don't even know why I bought the Maker for, because like I said, it's still brand new in the box. Oh my gosh, I love this background foil paper you did too. We got little treats and booze. Oh my gosh, love it. Oh, wait. There's tissue paper in here. Are these tissue paper or are these? Yeah, they're like a waxy tissue paper. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show you the other one. Okay, so I did a busted canvas, and with the other tissue paper, oh, she sent me a ton of tissue paper. So with this one right here from the packaging, I want to use this to make another busted canvas. I had done a video, I think like a week or two ago, where I showed the busted canvas that I created. And when I saw this tissue paper, I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to use this to do another one. So I'm totally saving this and going to be doing another one of those busted canvas. So, oh my gosh, now I have like plenty. Oh, look at that one. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this, Kathy. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.